In this video, we will guide you through the process of downloading movies from Paramount Plus and converting them into MP4 format. This step-by-step tutorial will help you enjoy your favorite films offline, on any device, anytime. Step 1. Install the Paramount Plus app. First, download the Paramount Plus app from the official website or App Store, Google Play for Android or App Store for iOS. Open the app and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up and choose a subscription plan that suits you. Step 2. Choose the movie you want to download. Browse the available movies and TV shows on Paramount Plus. Use the search bar or navigate through the categories to find the movie you want to download. Step 3. Check for download availability. Not all content on Paramount Plus is available for download. Make sure the movie you selected has a download option. You should see a download icon next to the title. If the option is available, tap or click the download button. Step 4. Download the movie. Tap the download button and wait for the movie to be downloaded onto your device. Depending on your internet speed, the download process might take a few minutes. Step 5. Convert the downloaded movie to MP4 format using a third-party tool. Unfortunately, Paramount Plus downloads are in a proprietary format that cannot be directly converted to MP4. To convert the file, you will need a third-party software like StreamFab Paramount Plus Downloader or Audials Movie. Download and install the chosen software on your computer. Step 6. Set up the conversion tool. Open the Downloader tool and log into your Paramount Plus account within the program. Select the movie you downloaded within the app. Set MP4 as the output format and adjust any settings such as video quality and subtitles. Step 7. Convert the movie to MP4. Hit the Download or Convert button on the Downloader tool. The software will process the download and conversion. Wait for the process to finish. Step 8. Save the movie. Once the conversion is complete, the movie will be saved in MP4 format on your computer. You can now move it to any device that supports MP4 videos, such as your smartphone, tablet, or external hard drive. Step 9. Enjoy your offline movie. Open the MP4 file on your device using any media player and enjoy your movie offline without any interruptions. Conclusion, and that's it. You have successfully downloaded and converted a movie from Paramount Plus into MP4 format. This method ensures that you can enjoy your favorite movies offline without needing an internet connection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on streaming platforms.